begin to tell the story of how great love can be? The sweet love story that is older than the sea. The simple truth about the love he brings to me.
Happy birthday, Mother! Siguro wish ko sa'yo is mas humaba pa yung life mo. Siguro yon, bawasan na natin yung stress, enjoy mo na yung life. So, I'm thankful for you and for your life kasi ikaw yung naging nanay ko and you were always supportive for me. Kung ano man din yung gusto mo, ako naman ang susupport sa'yo ngayon. So, yun lang. Happy birthday and I love you so much. Enjoy your day.
He fills my heart. He fills my heart with very special things, with angel songs, with wild imaginings. He fills my soul with so much love that anywhere I go, I'm never lonely with him along. Who could be lonely? I reach for his hand, it's always there.
Happy birthday, Nay. More birthdays to come. Sana mahintayin niyo ako maging successful para makabago.
Can love be measured by the hours in a day? I have no answers now, but this much I can say. I'm going to need him till the stars all burn away, and he'll be there. He fills my heart.
Si Mother very supportive. Nung elementary pa lang ako, hinahayaan niya na ako sumali. Hindi lang elementary, since preschool, hinahayaan niya na ako mag-join sa iba't ibang curricular activities. So, sa pageant, kahit sa paggala, lahat yan supportive siya. Even ngayon na nag-work na ako, kahit malayo ako sa kanila, sinusupport pa rin niya ako. So, feeling ko parang, ano pa rin ako, parang teenage pa rin ako. So, yun.
How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in a day? I have no answers now, but this much I can say. I'm going to need him till the stars all burn away, and he'll be.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Pagtityaga mo sa amin, ng mga bata. Salamat sa iyong pagmamalakaki at pagmamahal sa amin. Sa araw-araw na lagi tayong magkasama sa bahay. Hindi man tayo gano'ng nagkakakwentuhan. Pero alam naman natin ang nilalaman ng ating mga puso. Dahil mahal na mahal ko kayo ng aking mga anak. I love you more each day.
Sa lahat, ano po siya, isa pong very supportive na mother ko. Mapagmahal din, lagi niya po kasi suportahan. Sa tingin ko po kung tatanungin man ako kung sino gusto kong maging nanay, si nanay pa rin po.